Today we are going to see how to add the calibration data for a particular vehicle in your master panel. For that, first of all, search the vehicle for which the calibration data need to be added. As you can see, the vehicle loaded in this page. Click on Calibrate. Here, the selected vehicle will come. As you can able to see, only one row is here by default. To add the more rows, add count. Suppose I am adding random value, that is 50, and click on add more. Once you will click on add more, here you can able to see the multiple rows has been added in this page. Now you have to add the value of liter per volt. Suppose here it is showing 5 and I am adding here 0.532. For 10 liters I got a volt value, suppose 0.895. For 15 liters I got the volt value is 1.235. Like this, you have to add the value of liters and volts in this page up till the capacity of the tank. Suppose I am having tank of 120 liters, so till 120 liters the volt will be added, and at last you have to click on calibrate. Please note, once you click on the calibrate, the remaining blank data like after 125 will automatically got deleted. Suppose you have started your calibration from 10 liters, so simply you can edit it here. Like this, you are going to add the calibration data for a particular vehicle in your admin panel. Here I am going to show you one sample data for FMB 920. As FMB 920 is fuel sensor based device, so I am going to show you here the calibration data which already has been updated. Here calibration has started from 5 liters, so here you can able to see liters and volt value till 122 liters, which is the actual size of the tank or which is the tank capacity. For 122 liters, 8.33 volt. So like this, calibration has been done for this particular vehicle. Once calibration data has been added, you have to click on edit, click on fuel configuration, select the mode of vehicle, fuel type, analog, tank position horizontal, and tank shape abnormal. These are the mandatory details you have to fill in the fuel configuration and update the configuration. After that, in the same edit vehicle page, you have to select analog input as fuel, and also you have to give the tank size. Suppose here I am putting the tank size as 122 liters and simply click on update vehicle. Like this, you can add the calibration values. I hope the video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.